Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start a Ford Focus with a key. Insert the key fully, turn to accessory, then to start while holding the steering wheel straight if it is locked. Listen for clicks that indicate a weak battery and inspect battery terminals for corrosion. If steering lock prevents turning, jostle the wheel slightly while turning the key. Use gentle, deliberate motions to avoid breaking older keys. If your Ford Focus struggles to start, begin with simple troubleshooting steps that anyone can try. Check battery voltage and terminal tightness, then test by turning on headlights to gauge battery strength. If you hear rapid clicks, suspect the starter or solenoid and avoid repeated attempts that can overheat components. For anti-theft issues, lock and unlock with the key to reset the immobilizer before. Good preventive care keeps your Ford Focus starting reliably and saves you time later. Regularly inspect and clean battery terminals, secure connections, and replace the battery when it shows weakness. Use a quality spare key to avoid wear on your primary key and consider periodic starter and ignition switch checks at a trusted shop. Small, consistent maintenance avoids roadside surprises and ensures a smoother, more dependable driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.